Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video we are going to learn about how we can get your website to the top rank in the first page in Google and how we can achieve that by submitting the sitemap. So I'm going to show you an example website. This is one of the websites that we have developed for one of our client in UK. So if you take a look at this website, you have homepage, about us. So they have sub pages, services we offer like courses, business, corporate training, and they have contact us. So the target that we are trying to achieve here is when a user trying to search in Google. So if they're gonna search first of all with your business name itself, Infotute UK, so we just need to make sure that our website is top ranked in Google. So for just to be able to make sure that for customers to be able to access the link very quickly, so it gives some great experience for them, so without need to go to the second or third pages in the Google. So if someone is trying to search for Infotute courses, so it's gonna bring up this page. You can also see how we can how Google reads the content inside your website and listing like this. At the same time, if someone is trying to search Infotute contact us, and it's gonna bring up the contact us page and Infotute about us, and it's gonna bring up the about the business page. So when you click, it's gonna take to that. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can achieve this using the sitemap submission. So there are other more factors as well, which I'm going to put it in the upcoming videos of mine. So first of all, you have to copy this link and go to the sitemaps generator, xml sitemaps.com, and paste the link and start generating the sitemap. So while this is running, I'm going to quickly jump to the other browser. So I'm going to type here webmaster console. So okay, here we go. So the first one, Google search console. So make sure that you are signed in one of your Gmail account, and once you go inside this, so currently it shows the site and the performance analytics details and everything. So not exactly the analytics, but the like tracking related to the performance, insights related to the performance it shows. So I'm going to go back to this site, and sitemap has been successfully generated. So let's click weave sitemap, download the file. So I'm going to put it in the project web folder, and okay, sitemap.xml. So now I just need to submit this sitemap.xml to the web server linked to my website. So I'm going to go back to this. So I'm going to say add property. So it already shows that I have already added a property. So I'm just gonna testing purpose, I'm going to say add property. So just type the correct domain name, infotute.co.uk, and say continue. So it's gonna ask you for verification, which you need to do it through your cPanel. So I'm going to jump back to the other browser and make sure that you are logged in using your cPanel account. And when you scroll down, you see your zone editor, click on it, and then once you go inside the zone editor, you just need to update your you just need to add one txt record for that. So once that is added, so you come back to this browser and then you click verify, and it's gonna verify your identity here, the site. So once it is successfully verified, so you go to the sitemap tab here, and so before you give your sitemap, so you can go to the cPanel and file manager, and from there you go to public HTML, and you have to upload the sitemap that is you have just generated, so which is gonna be from this one. So you have to say click select, and it says that there is a duplicated entry which already exists, so I don't want to replace it. So I will just close this. As you can see, there is already a sitemap.xml is added. So the way you can verify is that if you go to your domain slash sitemap.xml, it you can also copy the link, and then if you click enter it, you can see the sitemap which is saved in the server right now. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to say sitemap.xml, and you have to click submit, and then it's gonna take like a couple of seconds, and then it's gonna say status is success if everything is good. And as of now, so we're looking after 1 to 2 months of time from the time this site has been submitted. You can see the discovered page is 16 in terms of the performance. So this site, how the site is being performed, everything can be seen. And so that's the way that you bring your website to the top page in Google. And when someone searches using your keywords, for example, let's say, so some of the keywords that you have used in your website, so you just also, sitemap is not the only factor that you can use it to bring your website to the top. At the same time, you have like other factors like the SEO, like the image tags, and many more things, so which I will be explaining in my upcoming video. And I will also be covering about Google Analytics, which can give insights about how user behaviors on the site, and also about like how users visiting from which device, so which is all about Google Analytics. So hope we have learned about how we can get your website to the top rank in Google. So which may also like as soon as the sitemap is submitted, it's gonna take like couple more weeks to crawl, and you just have to give some time for that. So once that is successfully crawled, so you're gonna get your website in the Google, so you can start searching in the Google after 2-3 days of the time submitted. So this video we have learned about how we can bring your website to the top rank in Google. So that is achieved by submitting a sitemap. I hope you liked it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so you can expect more videos in the future. So please do subscribe and give us support. Thank you for watching this video.